हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। मैं हूं महिमा और मेरे साथ आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे वर्कशीट नंबर 72। ये वर्कशीट 31 दिसंबर 2020 के लिए है। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन। इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन, इस चैप्टर का हम रिवीजन करने जा रहे हैं। रिवीजन में हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 10 दिए गए हैं। कुछ क्वेश्चंस 1 मार्क के हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस 2 मार्क्स के हैं। चलिए देख लेते हैं कौन से क्वेश्चन कितने मार्क्स के हैं और क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या दिया गया है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस। ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन। ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री डज नॉट शेयर इट्स लैंड बाउंड्री विथ इंडिया। इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा देश है जो अपनी लैंड बाउंड्री को इंडिया के साथ शेयर नहीं करता। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच लैटिट्यूड डिवाइड्स इंडिया इन ऑलमोस्ट 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स। इनमें से कौन सा लैटिट्यूड है जो इंडिया को लगभग 2 बराबर हिस्सों में बांटता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रीराइट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आफ्टर करेक्टिंग द अंडरलाइन वर्ड। आपको बताना है कि इनमें एक वर्ड जो है सेंटेंस में उसको अंडरलाइन किया गया है, उसे करेक्ट करके रीराइट करना है। इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, इसको आपने चेंज करना है, रीराइट करना है करेक्ट करके। राइट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आफ्टर करेक्टिंग द अंडरलाइन वर्ड। इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया इंडिया इज 5th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड। Question number 5, write true or false for the following statement. Question, presently India has 28 state and 9 union territories. Question number 6, write true or false for the following statement. So question is 82 degree and 30 west meridian is taken as standard meridian of India. Question number 7, is an assertion and its reason is given. Read the following statements and choose the right answer from the option given below. Assertion is longitude extent of India is almost 30 degree and reason is India has taken 82 degree and 30 east as its standard meridian. Option is both A and R correct and R is correct explanation of A. B option है both A and R correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. C option is A is correct but R is wrong. Question number D, R is correct but A is wrong. So question number 8, name the group of island lying in Arabian Sea. Question number 9, name the Indian state which share its boundaries with all 3 nations, Nepal, Bhutan and China. And last question is, which of the following is not correctly matched in terms of direction of the following neighboring countries of India? It's Pakistan, northwest, Nepal, north, Bangladesh, west, and Sri Lanka is south. COVID appropriate behavior CAB messages, keep maintaining physical distance of 6 feet or 2 yards. आप सभी लोगों को 6 फीट एंड 2 यार्ड्स का सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर आंसर्स। So our first question is which of the following country does not share its boundary with India? Answer is Tajikistan. Tajikistan country does not share its boundary with India. Question number 2, which latitude divides India in almost 2 equal parts? So answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 3rd question is, rewrite the following statement after correcting the underlined word. Question is, India is located in southern hemisphere. Your answer is India is located northern hemisphere, not a southern hemisphere. Now question number 4, in terms of area India is 5th largest country in the world. Your answer is, in terms of area India is 7th largest country in the world. Now question number 5th question is, write true or false for the following statement. Presently India has 28 states and 9 union territories. So answer is false. How How can we say India has not 28 states and 9 union territories? its 29 states. After removing Jammu and Kashmir, it's going 28. Okay, and now union territories. We have 7 union territories and 2 more union territories add. So its answer is 9 union territories, but recently one has removed from it. Now presently India has 28 states and 8 union territories. How many union territories? 8 union territories. So answer is false. 82 degree 30 west meridian is taken as standard meridian of India. So your answer is false. Question number 6. Question number 6, an assertion and its reason is given. Write the following statement and choose the right answer from the option given. Assertion is longitude extent of India is almost 30 degree and reason is India has taken 82 degree 30 east as its standard meridian. So your correct answer is A is correct but R is wrong. So now next question is question number 7. Name the group of island lying in Arabian Sea. So your answer is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island, group of island lying in Arabian Sea. Question number 8. Name the Indian state which share its boundary with all 3 nations, Nepal, Bhutan and China. So your answer is Sikkim. Sikkim, it means Sikkim, the Indian state which share its boundary with all 3 nations, Nepal, Bhutan and China. So last question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched in terms of direction of the following neighboring countries of India? So it's Pakistan, northwest. Everyone know Pakistan is in northwest, Nepal north, Bangladesh west and Sri Lanka is south. So correct option is Bangladesh is in east, not in a west. See, top of the map of India. So it's north and the bottom is south. It's east and that side is west. So Pakistan is lying in this area. So Pakistan is lying in this area and Nepal is lying in this area. Then this one is from northwest and this one is north. So both are correct. Sri Lanka is in south, everyone know. So its one is also correct. Bangladesh, it's confusing. So it's east, not a west. So your all 9 questions and 10 questions completed here. Your all question and answers done.